Hey there. This is how to focus stack, or in the textbook it's called extending depth of field. And what you should do right now is you should download from the folder the glassstart.psd file, and you should have it here. And what I want you to do is go to Save As and change the word Start to Working. And then I want you to go to your Photoshop 1 folder and save it in there, please. So glass working, and make sure that it is a Photoshop file. All right. Next, what I want you to do is you are going to select the beach layer and turn the visibility on and off. So you can see this. First, I want to describe what the heck is going on. So the photographer has taken two pictures in this case, and they have different focus points. So you'll notice we're looking at the beach picture right now, and now we're looking at the glass picture because I turned off the visibility. So where it's now focused on the glass. So we have two different photos focused on different things, the beach and the glass. And what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the picture so that both of the items are in focus. You might think that this you should be able to do this with your camera anyway, make it a deep depth of field, but in actual fact, in order to get a deep depth of field, you have to be pulled back from the object. So you can't be this close and have a deep depth of field. It's not possible that I know of in physics. Put in the comments if you happen to know of another way to do it. Anyway, you can do it in Photoshop. Let's align these two pictures. You'll notice that they are out of alignment. So we're going to hold down the Shift key and click on the glass layer. So both of these layers are selected. I want you to go up to Edit, and I want you to pick Auto Align Layers. And just say Auto, make sure Vignette Removal and Geometric Distortion is turned off. And click OK. That is so useful. It's such a useful tool. So now you turn on and off, and you'll notice, hey, it's been moved into place, and it is bang on. Okay? When I discovered that this existed, oh man, that was so great. Okay, and then the next thing we do is just ridiculously easy. You just go Edit, Auto Blend Layers. In this particular case, we want to stack, make seamless tones and colors turned on, turn off Content Aware Fill transparent areas, and hit OK. And look at that. See the masks that it makes in order to black out different parts of the picture? And that's what you've got. You now have the glasses in focus, and so is the house and the beach. Isn't that crazy? That's so simple. And you can take a look. Here's the glass layer and what's been masked out. And you can see the beach layer too. Isn't that great? Okay. Please save what you've got and submit it to Google Classroom.